Smart Asset Robo-Advisor Honest Review Watch before using investing can feel overwhelming, especially if you are worried about fees, risk, or not knowing where to start. Most people get this wrong. They either invest blindly or avoid investing altogether. Smart Assets Robo-Advisor promises a simple, automated way to grow your wealth. But is it really worth using? Smart Asset offers a robo-advisory service that builds a personalized portfolio for you based on your financial goals, age, income, and risk tolerance. Unlike traditional advisors, it uses algorithms to recommend ETFs and index funds with low fees and automatic rebalancing. The surprising truth is that this automated approach can often outperform self-managed portfolios for beginners because it removes emotion from investing decisions. Here's how it works. You input your goals like saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or growing wealth over 5 years, and Smart Asset calculates an optimized portfolio for your risk level. It even suggests tax-efficient strategies if you're investing through taxable accounts. You can link your brokerage account and let the robo-advisor manage your portfolio or use its advice to make your own trades. One of the biggest advantages is accessibility. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Smart Asset gives guidance even to smaller investors, which makes it ideal for young professionals or anyone looking to get started with investing without hiring a financial advisor. However, there are some limitations. Smart Asset primarily offers advice and portfolio recommendations. It doesn't execute trades on all accounts automatically unless linked to certain brokerages. Also, advanced investors may find the options too simplistic compared to other robo-advisors that offer more control or alternative investments. In conclusion, Smart Asset Robo-Advisor is a solid tool for beginners or busy professionals looking for automated investment guidance with low fees. If you want to invest smartly without getting bogged down by complex financial jargon, it's worth checking out. Subscribe now for more honest finance and investing tool reviews.